Hi everybody, this is Ron again from Full Time Dream. Judy's behind the camera again. Today we're going to go through another subscriber request. This is the Coachman 290Bhs. And it's a bunkhouse edition. And we're going to start out in the beginning here with the kitchen. We have the sink, full inside sink with a cover, solid surface countertop, big countertop, stuff over top. In here we've got the we have a gray stone microwave. We have a 3-burner propane top with a glass top over it. We have the oven underneath. This is a Magic Chef. We vent underneath it. Come over, we have a Furion 12-volt refrigerator. The 12 volt makes them more efficient and easier to cool down. Continuing on, we have a pantry space. Go into the bathroom. The bathroom has entry from the trailer itself and from outside. In this camper you have 2 really good sized bunks. It's got a 220 pound capacity for the bunk. There's USB and outlets up in the top corner for charging. A little shelf in the corner. You have the bottom bunk. That's an emergency door to get out the back. And you have storage underneath. Again, there's a privacy curtain for both bunks. You have the ladder. Disconnects and connects. You have a great big U-shaped dinette. And you have heated curtains. Now for when your friend or kids have their friends come along with you, you have extra sleeping space. The dinette drops down so that you have another bed. This here is a pull-out couch for even more sleeping space. It says this unit can sleep up to 10. You have an entertainment center. You have a TV. Your Jensen stereo system. You have a 30-inch fireplace down below that will also heat. You have an entry coming into. We'll go ahead into the bedroom. In the bedroom here, up above on the driver's side, there's a big cabinet with a wardrobe type of area. You have a big open shelf with outlets for both USB and 110. And you can put a CPAP machine probably on either side or both sides. Cabinets up on top. Another wardrobe on the other side. And to the back side, there's a space on the back wall that allows you to put another TV on this side. This door is a barn style door that slides shut. So there you have it. This again is a very nice camper that we were asked to check out by some of our subscribers. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. If you have any questions, they can go in the comment section also. If you haven't yet, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.